This is a 1972 Harley Davidson Ironhead Sportster XLCH. It's not a bad looking bike. It is a project bike because I haven't started it. It does rock in gear and the engine turns over. I haven't started it, there's no battery. The ignition isn't wired up. So, advertising it and selling it as it is, and I'll move on to the next bike. The back brake worked on it, gears selected, clutch was free, the front brake didn't work, got no fluid in it by the feel of it. Yeah, quite a nice looking bike. Nice little Ironhead project if you fancy one.